Today, I'll show you how to instantly convert SpayLater to GCash. Before we start, it is important to understand that SpayLater is not designed as a cash-out service. SpayLater is a buy now, pay later feature. It is mainly used to pay for eligible purchases inside Shopee. Then you repay the bill later. So, if you are looking for a direct button to transfer a SpayLater balance to GCash, you will not normally find one. There is no official option in Shopee that lets you instantly withdraw or convert your SpayLater credit into GCash balance. Be careful with people or pages online that offer SpayLater cash-out services. Some may ask you to buy a fake product, send your account details, or pay extra fees. These methods can be risky, may break Shopee rules, and can lead to scams, account restrictions, or unpaid debt. If you need money in GCash, check safer and official options instead. For example, you can check if you are eligible for Shopee's official loan features, if available in your account. You can also use GCash's own loan or credit services if you qualify. If your goal is to pay your SpayLater bill using GCash, that is different. Open Shopee, go to Me, then tap SpayLater, choose your bill, tap Pay Now, and select an available payment method such as InstaPay if shown. Then complete the payment using GCash or another supported wallet. So, to keep it simple, you cannot officially convert SpayLater directly to GCash. SpayLater is for Shopee purchases, not instant cash withdrawals. Use only official payment and loan options, and avoid third-party cash-out offers. And that's what you need to know about converting SpayLater to GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.